Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you today?
It's fine, ma'am.
Please tell me about your work experience.
Uh, I'm experienced in Singapore for 1 year. Uh, then, after that, my experience there in Singapore is very good. And after that, I go to Qatar again for an 2 years contract. And then here in Abu Dhabi, ma'am, 7 months only,
What is the
overworking.
Okay, what is the nationality of your employer in Abu Dhabi?
Local, ma'am,
How many members in the family?
8 man, 8 children, and my sir and ma'am, only 10, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell me what were your duties and responsibilities while on the job?
Cooking, cleaning, and ironing. This all, madam.
And why you decided not to continue your contract?
Because ma'am is overworking and more children, ma'am.
And how much salary are you looking for?
1.5, ma'am.
And what type of food can you cook?
Salona biryani, ma'am.
Okay, and what is your favorite task? It is cooking, cleaning, or babysitting?
Cleaning, ma'am.
Okay. How do you know if the baby is sick?
Take care, ma'am, and then give medicines for my children and give food. Is all this one, is all this one, ma'am, is I take care my children because more sick, and then, but then, ma'am, give food every time, and then take medicines to the time of this, ma'am.
And what are your hobbies?
Cleaning, ma'am.
How long do you want to work here in UAE for? How many years?
2 years, ma'am.
Do you think you would be a good full-time housemaid to your new employer?
Yes, ma'am, sure.
Why?
Take care all my working uh, to I'm a good for in my employer, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Nice talking with you and have a good day.